Jim just coming out of the Point Lookout pub. We've just had a couple of beers here before we head back to camp. Jim's going to cook dinner tonight with Ralph.
Tonight is the night where you're going to be tested more than ever before. Jimmy.
Yes, chef.
Step forward, big boy.
Okay, mate, how you going? You on cooking detail tonight, mate?
Yeah, matey, bacon, carbonara, steak.
Going well, mate?
Ralph.
Yes, chef.
Step forward, please.
Ralph is a very safe individual to have in the kitchen. Something that makes you feel confident when you're running the place, because you've got someone like him on your left-hand side.
Last night, you held my hand so tight. When you stopped to say hello.
How you going, Ralph?
And though you wished me well,
Got something to say for the camera, mate?
Good. I'm dressed to kill tonight. It started raining, so I put all this gear on, and now it's stopped. It's short and starting it.
You're on cooking detail tonight, mate?
Yeah, mate.
Cooking steak. What have we got in this pot? Lift the lid off for me.
This is a very interesting concoction.
Yeah.
Milk and water.
What are you going to do with that, mate?
That's it.
Milk and water? Or is that to pour over the steak?
That's the coffee. Jim, in the last 2 hours, what have you achieved?
I'm still going with these potatoes. You know the thing, years and years, the guys do not complain because they love the way that I make the potatoes. But tonight, I'm going to show you what I do to make it extra special. Once I peeled it, I put it on there. I gargle. Stick under, just to get the juices out. Ready to go.
Exactly. Does that give you the flavour?
They love it.
Can we just sit, look at where you... That's just amazing.
Who wants that one?
I'm embarrassed about it. So I'm amazed that you've done
Can
it.
you tell me what's going on in the kitchen this evening?
We're just having potatoes.
Praties, are they?
Praties.
And
Praties. And we're going to have a nice roast.
so,
Yes, it's
okay.
a concoction of...
Yeah. Here's one I prepared earlier.
Yes.
Righto. And what sort of roast is it?
Well,
It's a Watson wonder.
It's a beef roast.
Mm-hmm.
It's a piece of topside laid out flat with bacon rashers laid out on it. There's pepper steak sprinkled put all over it. And a pork belly with a rind off put over the top, and then it's all tied up. And we'll put a little bit of garlic on the top of that when we're putting it in the oven.
Okay.
Bit of salt and pepper.
That looks like pig shit.
Sorry?
every few minutes.
Do you have to swear in any way, shape or form for this meat to cook?
Swearing's not allowed anymore.
This is fucking painful.
And, okay, what do we got over here? Please explain.
This is just our bread for the night, mate. Just a bit of...
It's been raining a bit, so we've got a bit of damper.
Yeah, mate.
Okay.
No doubt about that. Your one-liners are unreal.
Right, I've made a lot of money out of that.
You
Not.
Not?
I wished. So, and that's whose recipe, you reckon?
That's my brother Paul showed me that one.
So how do you do that?
I'm not giving that away.
Ah!
It's top secret.
Ah, it's secret, is it?
Yeah, mate.
Fair
Has
enough.
it got an egg in it? I believe
No,
so.
I'm
So-
not saying nothing.
Oh, okay, hang on.
So
Check the garbage.
Out of all of this-
Nice.
Out of all of this, Jimmy shared his intellectual property secret
on
about
that
how to peel potatoes. Ralphie's shared his intellectual property secret about the roast. But the carny damper, no way, mate. That's locked up.
That's why the lid's on, mate.
Keep it under wraps. PC, what have you got going there? You've got the marinade, is that right?
Marinade, yes.
You're working on the marinade.
I'm marinating
which is-
myself in preparation for the meal.
Good work, mate. I think it's working.
Yes.
How's it going, mate? You've now done the potatoes?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, finished now.
Good work.
So we just, what we do is we get rid of the rubbish. Just so there's no waste or anything. And what we'll do is we'll end up marinating the potatoes. Throw this crap out,
Yes.
and away we go.
Yeah. you can see why none of us have eaten potatoes in the past 2 years. It's been Jimmy's job, hasn't it, Michael?
Oh, mate, he's good at it. But, tonight's a bit of a surprise, mate.
He's doing it because it's a special night. He's doing it a different way tonight, isn't he?
It likes to be different.
And guess who's back online?
What do you actually got there?
Well, we can do bacon carbonara, a bit of a pasta dish with a steak.
Yep.
Yeah, with a jacket potato and sour cream.
How you going, Carmen?
Going alright. We're looking forward to this evening meal, cooked by Jim and Ralph.
Yep.
Jim, what do you got there? Pasta carbonara, mate. Pasta carbonara. What do you do with that? Well, hopefully we'll eat it when I finish. So what are you doing right now?
What is this
Just letting it settle because it just has to boil a little bit.
And what's the word I want you to use?
Fuck! Well, not that one.
When you're getting rid of all the moisture out of it, so all just left it. What is it called?
You just said it before.
Come on, Jim, I told you.
I'm trying to think. What was it? Reducing.
This is the
Jesus, pressure.
So, mate, have you spent hours preparing this meal or what?
Mate, well, can you tell?
Have you got one? Because this is shit. Have you got one you prepared earlier?
Have a swig out of this, mate.
Yeah.
I think we'll get it out. We'll have an uncensored, a censored version. How long?
Yeah, a bit of rum, a bit of wine,
A sprinkle. How long did it take you to open that packet?
Red wine.
Good.
But the final ingredients,
That's
mate.
good. No, you do.
How's it going, Jim?
It was alright till all these bastards came in. A maroony.
There you go, look at
No,
that.
it's going well, mate. We're doing really well.
No, Ralph, I'm waiting on 3 lobster, yeah? I want the risotto relaxed. And I turn around, Ralph, hello, and he's pouring fish stock. Yeah, neat fish stock on the risotto.
Earlier, Jimmy lost a lobster. Now he's messed up the risotto, and Chef Ramsay has had enough.
Ralphie, you just put the meat in. And what did you just do with it then? Put some garlic on it. Put a bit of tinto. One of the guys at work created this, which is great. Which really surprised me what he did with it. I thought I was just going to try this. And what better place to try it than with my mates in Gerry's on North Stradbroke. Just hooking the meat over very tenderly. And now James is putting in some of the, just to take up some of the room in the pot. We've got the potato peels in another pot cooking nicely. And we're just sort of filling up because the roast is rolling over, so we're putting some chocks in. Is that what you're doing, Jim? Oh, look at that, eh?
What a catch.
Where did you get that onion from, Jim? And now we're backing up the second one. What have we got here?
This will be the damper.
That looks perfect. Hey? Is it raw? Yeah. Is it? Jimmy's veggie peels. They've actually must have had a lot of self-raising flour in them because they've sort of blown themselves up into potatoes again, Jim.
Serve when you're ready. Come on, Jimmy. Fucking tough night. A real tough night. 87 covers and it was a struggle. And the service was fucking pretty dismal.